What is up, YouTube? This is a quick tutorial on how to connect your Apple Pencil to an iPad. So this is the Apple Pencil Pro, and we are connecting to an iPad Pro M5. So, of course, you're going to unbox the Apple Pencil. This is sold separately. It's not included with the iPad when you buy it, so it's an extra $200 or so. And there are multiple generations, so make sure you do the research to find the pencil that works for your iPad. So this is the Apple Pencil Pro, and it works with the iPad Air and the iPad Pro. So once you unbox it, all you have to do is remove the plastic pieces that are on the pencil and find the correct spot to place it on your iPad. So in this case, the iPad Pro M5, it's right above the camera lens. So as you see, I'm going to try and place it on the bottom just to show you it won't stick. There's no magnets there. It only goes on one way, and that's the top. Once you connect it, you'll see a little palette there, and then the how to use guide will appear. This is for the first time when you connect your Apple Pencil. So you just go through it, and it shows you how to use the new features of the Apple Pencil Pro, as you see here. The barrel roll gesture and all the pressure sensors in the tip area. So that's how you use it. Once it's done, you are officially connected. So now it's going to charge up on the top. So you turn your iPad over and you can connect it and disconnect it as you see here. Now I'm going to put my iPad in landscape to show you a better orientation. So that's how you connect it, and to charge it, like I said, you leave it at the top of the iPad like so, and you'll see a little platter appear. And it can go either way, so the tip can face either way. But when you connect it, you'll see the magnets and you'll see that platter right there appear. And yeah, that's how you use it. It's now connected. So you just take it off and do as you see here. And there you go. That's how you connect an Apple Pencil to your iPad and how to charge it and use it. It can go either way when you charge it, so don't have to worry about that. Just make sure it's on the top of the iPad where the camera lens is. And that's where the magnets are housed. So as I show you again, I hope this helped you, and please like the video and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.